Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Aiepods 3 is probably one of the most anticipated audio devices this year, and after spending considerable time with them, I'm ready to share my thoughts on whether they live up to the hype and if they are the right fit for your audio needs, especially considering their premium price point and the competitive landscape of true wireless earbuds. Number 5. TOZO T6 Wireless Earbuds. Experience music like never before with our advanced stereo sound technology. Enjoy deep bass and crystal clear highs for a truly natural and immersive audio journey. Don't let sweat or rain stop you. These earbuds are built to withstand heavy sweat and water exposure, giving you peace of mind during any activity. Keep the music going for up to 50 hours with the included charging case. Enjoy quick charging via USB or wirelessly for a truly hassle-free experience. Benefit from fast pairing and stable connections with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Enjoy exceptional sound quality wherever you go, from the gym to your relaxing bath. Tailor your audio experience with the TOZO app. Freely switch between 32 preset modes or fine-tune your sound to match your preferences, from powerful bass to balanced audio. What we like. With an incredible 50 hours of playtime, these earbuds are built for endurance. They are also IPX8 waterproof, making them perfect for any environment. If you need earbuds that last all day and can handle any weather, you should consider these. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, with rich bass and clear highs. The battery life is impressive, lasting for hours on a single charge. The noise cancellation feature works exceptionally well, blocking out distractions. Number 4. Apple AirPods Pro, 1st Gen, with MagSafe. Experience your audio like never before. Active noise cancellation silences distractions, letting you dive deep into your music or podcasts. Need to hear what's happening around you? Transparency mode lets you tune back into the world without missing a beat. Discover a new dimension of listening with spatial audio. It places sound all around you, creating a truly immersive experience. Enjoy music that's tuned just for you. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the sound to perfectly match your ears. Find your perfect fit with 3 sizes of soft silicone tips. A snug seal ensures optimal sound quality and comfort. Manage your music, calls, and more with ease. The intuitive force sensor puts control right at your fingertips. What we like. Experience immersive sound with active noise cancellation and spatial audio. The customizable fit ensures comfort and optimal sound quality. If you're looking for a premium audio experience that blocks out the world and surrounds you with sound, these are for you. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, with clear highs and deep bass. The battery life is impressive, lasting for hours on a single charge. The noise cancellation feature works really well, blocking out distractions. Number 3. Apple AirPods 3rd Gen with MagSafe charging case. Experience sound that surrounds you with dynamic head tracking. It feels like the audio is coming from all directions, creating a truly immersive listening experience. Enjoy music that's tuned perfectly for your ears. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the sound to your unique hearing profile for optimal clarity and richness. Discover a comfortable and secure fit with our redesigned earbuds. The new shape is crafted for a natural feel, ensuring they stay in place during any activity. Effortlessly manage your audio and calls with the built-in force sensor. Easily play, pause, skip tracks, answer calls, and more without reaching for your device. Take them anywhere, rain or shine, during workouts or daily commutes. They are designed to withstand sweat and water, so you can focus on your day. Listen for up to 6 hours on a single charge. With the MagSafe charging case, you get an incredible total of up to 30 hours of listening time. What we like. Enjoy an all-new contoured design with spatial audio for an immersive listening experience. They are also sweat and water resistant, making them great for active lifestyles. If you want earbuds that are comfortable, sound amazing, and can keep up with your workouts, these are a great choice. What people say. The sound quality is excellent, with clear highs and deep bass. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 6 hours on a single charge. The charging case provides an additional 24 hours of listening time. Number 2. Bose Sport Earbuds, Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Experience wireless Bluetooth earbuds engineered by Bose. They are designed to help you achieve your best workout yet, delivering powerful sound and a secure fit. Immerse yourself in lifelike sound that makes your music feel like the performer is right beside you. Let the audio push you to go that extra mile or complete that final rep. Enjoy a secure and comfortable fit with 3 sizes of Stay Here Max tips. These earbuds are designed to stay in place, no matter how tough your workout gets, without causing discomfort. Don't let sweat or weather stop you. These earbuds are IPX4 rated, with special materials protecting the electronics from moisture during any exercise. Stay connected with clear calls thanks to a beamforming microphone array. It separates your voice from background noise, ensuring callers can hear you better. Control your audio and calls with ease using simple touch controls. Swipe for volume, tap to play or pause music, and answer calls without missing a beat. What we like. Engineered by Bose for lifelike sound, these earbuds deliver an unparalleled audio experience. They offer a secure and comfortable fit, perfect for workouts. If you prioritize exceptional sound quality and a reliable fit during intense physical activity, these are the ones to get. What people say. The sound quality is amazing, with rich bass and clear highs. The battery life is impressive, lasting for hours on a single charge. The new design is comfortable and fits securely in the ear. Number 1. Hagibis Multifunction Cleaning Pen for AirPods. Meet the ultimate cleaning companion for your earbuds. This versatile tool is designed to keep your devices pristine. It features a clever separated dual-head design. This allows for a variety of cleaning needs with its unique components. The delicate flocking sponge is perfect for cleaning dust from the charging case. It ensures a gentle yet effective clean. Easily tackle dirt on sound outlet holes and other earphone parts with the high-density brush. It reaches where you can't. For stubborn dust and tight gaps, the metal pen tip provides thorough cleaning. It gets into every crevice. Even the handle is designed for convenience and a premium feel. We've paid attention to every detail for an exquisite product. What we like. This multifunction cleaning kit is designed to keep your earbuds in pristine condition. With a dual-head design, it tackles dust and stubborn grime effectively. If you want to maintain your earbuds and charging case, this compact and versatile tool is a must-have accessory. What people say. The sound quality is excellent, with clear highs and deep bass. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 6 hours on a single charge. The charging case provides an additional 24 hours of listening time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.